What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new and you like what you see, make sure you smash that subscribe button, give the videos a like and comment. So in today's video guys, the Fiat needs much loved attention. I'm going to take the wheel off that's flat, get it down to my mates, get a new valve in it and get it back on the car. I do have other bits and pieces to do with the Fiat. We need to change the drive shafts as inner and outer boots are completely gone, and it was actually cheaper for me to get second-hand shafts with new boots on them. It's very strange, but yeah, I'm going to get that wheel off and get it down fixed, and then next will be drive shafts. So let's go. Wheel is off. Just going to stick an axle stand under this with the jack as well, just to hold it up, just in case she wants to fall down. So just grab one here and really just stick it under anywhere, really just to hold the car up a bit. So just going to jack it up a bit and stick it under one of the arms. Now all in, safety first. Last thing you want to come back to is a broken jack falling down and this all mashed, which these need to be replaced anyway. So I have new discs and pads coming, I have new drive shafts, and we're going to do all these bushes on the front just to have it in tip-top shape. I am looking into getting like coilovers or new suspension for the car, but it's all price, so I just had to save up a few quid for it. So yeah, let's get this wheel fixed. So I just flew up to Tireland in Kimmage. My mate Harry works in there. He done the wheel, sorted it out. So it's time to go feed these brats, then get back, get the wheel back on the car and sort out what else needs to be done. Lovely brand new valve, all pumped up, ready to rock back onto the Fiat. So that's one job crossed off the list. That's a new valve, pumped up 4 wheels on the ground. So next thing is going to be sorting bodywork and the drive shafts. So make sure you come back for the next video to see the new shafts going in and how to do that. And I'll show you how to do some filler work on the bodywork, as that's a massive dent. So we're going to try and pop that out a little bit and then sand it down, do some filling and fix everything else on the car and get it ready for its paint job. And then hopefully full vinyl wrap, be awesome. So make sure you subscribe and follow me for that, and I'll see you in the next one. So peace out and be dedicated.